Hello guys, welcome back. I am just gonna take a drink real quick. Um, yeah, there we go. Okay, so today I will show you part 2 of how to put customs on your Xbox. Um, and this part is how to make the chart for the Xbox. So first off, you need your chart, right? And um, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna find, if you remember from yesterday, I used Heartbreak Armageddon for the song. So I will use the chart for Heartbreak Armageddon. I will copy that file into our Xbox Customs folder right here. And now I also need to get the Xbox 360 chart file, and you will find that in your GH3 folder for your Xbox data, and then compressed pack, and then you will find all these charts. And yesterday we used oh sorry, wait, this is not right, it's in songs. sorry, here we go, songs. And yesterday we used the way it ends, so we're going to use that, the chart. So you're going to copy the Xbox chart file, you're going to put it into this folder where we always work. And that is what you need right now. And now what we're going to do is we're going to work with this PlayStation 2 pack chart file, and it's going to be in your folder already. It's provided, and we're going to work with this because this is a dummy file that we will use to inject this directly into the fcpremix.pack.ps2 with QB inject, and then we will extract that, basically export it from this file with Queen Bee, and then we will use Queen Bee again to import that into our pack file, pack.send file, or Xbox custom. Okay, it's a bit complicated, but when you see how I do it, it's way easier than it seems. So yeah. So first off, start QB inject, and then take the full name of fcpremix.pack.ps2, copy it, and copy it into here, and hit enter. And now we want to hit the we want to add, as you can see, the name of the song that is located in here right now, or well, basically the song that this is. So this is FCP Remix, and you type FCP Remix, boom, like that. And then we type notes.chart, because this is the file. Enter the file name of the chart you want to inject into this file, and that is notes.chart, as you can see right there. It might be different for you if you're using GH3 and or have just downloaded a file. Just rename it to notes.chart before you do this, and it'll work. Hit enter, and boom, it added everything, and it's done. If you get an error, it is because your chart that you're using is not first generation GH customs charts. Either you have tap notes, open notes, excessive forced notes, or something along those lines in there. It has to be basically generation 1 stock directly from feedback without any weird bullshit. So most old customs work. Okay, so press enter to get out of here. So now our chart is injected into this file. Now we want to extract it from this file, and we do that with Queen Bee. So start Queen Bee. Remember, you always need to have Queen Bee run it as admin. So go in here and tick run this as admin and hit OK. Then you run Queen Bee, hit yes, and then we will go to our Xbox Customs folder, and we will double click on fcpremix.pack.ps2. And then we will load that. That will bring up two files. One is going to be scripts, and one is going to be mid.qb. Click the mid.qb. Double click it. Okay. Now that we're in here, you're going to see it's going to say 0, 0. And then it's going to say there's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 different arrays here. Okay. There's going to be 4 arrays with chart files, basically. And this is easy, this is medium, this is hard, and this is expert. Always from the top to the bottom. Easy to expert. What we want right now, if we play on expert, is the fourth one right here. So we are going to click on the fourth one, and we're going to click expert. Expert. We're going to click on export right here, and we're going to name it Heartbreak Armageddon, because that's the file that is the chart that is currently in this file. Array.txt. Okay, so save it. And now we also need another file for it to look correctly. We need basically the beat lines, or the BPM lines that go across these strings, basically. And those are all the way down here. So scroll for a little bit. Just look at this right here, how far down this is. Here you will see these three. Sometimes it's only one. It usually says 0.4.4, and then it says another number, and then another one. And then below these, you'll see this, which is going to be an increasing 0, 300. It will be an increasing number of beat lines, or the fretboard band, I guess. This is what we want. So we're going to take this file, this array, right here. We're going to export that, and we will call that the fret bands, and we will save that. And that is it for this file for now. So we're going to close Queen Bee, make sure that we have fret bands and that we have Heartbreak Armageddon, the expert array. Yes, we do. So now we want to put these arrays into our the way it ends to make it a custom song. So the way to do that is, once again, open Queen Bee, hit yes, and this time, you want to change the format to Xbox XEN, and then go click on Pack File, double click on your file, and this time what you can do if you want to is you can use a debug file, which you will find in your game, to easier see what you're replacing. To do that, you click on debug file, and you go to your, you go to your game basically. So D, and then downloads or whatever, wherever you put your game, and then you go to right here, and then you go to your GH3 game folder, data. Then you go to compressed songs. No, wait, sorry. You go to pack this time. Pack. And then you click on debug or dbg.pack.zen. Click on it. And now when you load, it will, now you'll see your .mid.qb on this song. Double click. And as you can see now, it says easy, medium, hard, and expert. Right? So this time, this is the section array. This is the array integer. You want to basically replay these integer values and this array. So you just click on import this time, highlight the export chart, click on import, and then you just go back to your Xbox Customs folder that we work from, and you take the Heartbreak Armageddon array, export array, whatever you call it, hit open. Look at that value. Boom. Now you have the custom chart in here. Now we need the fret bands, or the whatever you call them. We'll see. We'll see what they're called when we scroll down. So keep scrolling. And once again, you'll see the 0.4.4, whatever the time signature it uses. And then you will see the fret bars is what it's called. Okay, so here we have the fret bars. And now we just click highlight that array, hit import, and import the fret bars. Okay, as you can see, now we have the custom fret bars in here. And now you want to hit update, let it update, and then save to disk. When you hit save to disk, it's going to give you an error that it is failed to compress. The error is faulty. It's not a correct error. It does compress. It works perfectly fine. Do not worry. So save to disk. Boom. Compress failed. Don't bother. It doesn't matter. It did compress. Just hit OK. And then exit out. And now you have your custom song right here. This is a custom song, but yet if the file is larger, this is the thing you need to make sure now. This is our custom song. And as you can see, this is 2074 kilobytes. The way it ends, song pack, the original one, is 2073 kilobytes. It is, so this custom is larger than this one. They need to be the exact same file size for this to work. So to fix that, what we need is a hex editor. So you have to get HXD, a hex editor. You need to open that. It'll look like this. Put the original, drag it into here, the original, and then you drag the custom song right in here, the custom chart. So this is the original. You want to check the length of the original by scrolling all the way down. Click at the end, and you'll see the length is 2063D8. So 2063D8. The length of our custom song is 2063BO. Okay? It is longer, so it will not work. The way to fix this, though, is open up Queen Bee once again. Right? And then make a dummy file. Just call it dummy.array.txt. Leave it empty, because this one we're going to replace the other difficulties with this one to make the file smaller as a trick. Okay, so now load up the custom again, and you'll see it's still the custom chart is still in there. So what we want to do is we want to replace, let's say, the easy chart with something smaller. So we will import our dummy. Boom, it's empty. Update. Hit save to disk. Hit OK on the error. And click out. And now, as you'll see, the custom is smaller. But now we have the problem that it's smaller, so it still won't run. But the way to fix that is, now that you have these open in the hex editor, check once more, click on these and check. So this is the original, and this is 2063D8. And the custom now is 205A95. So we want to make these the exact same size. So you want to make the custom the exact same size as the original. So just on your keyboard, hit the insert key that is located above the delete key. Hit that, and it'll tell you insert right here. And then hold the 0 button for a little while till you get like 3 rows of zeros. Copy those, drag across, mark them, and copy. And just keep copying and inserting more. Just can hold it down. And then compare 206-3DO, 206-350, let's see, 3DO, there we go. Okay, 206-3DO. And then it's at the 7th position here. So the 7th offset on here. So you will, one at a time, add here until you're at the 7th offset. And now it'll say 206-3D8 on your custom, and it'll say the exact same thing on the original. So they're the exact same file size. Now you hit save on your custom, and boom, they're the exact same file size, and this custom will now load up on your Xbox 360 console. Yeah, that's about it for how to make the chart. And I will make basically another tutorial, part 3 on how to change the custom songs file name, and I will make that and upload that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, for now, this is it. Now you just copy this custom song over your original song, put it on your ISO or on your Reset Glitch Hack or your JTAG console, and you run the game, and it will run both custom audio that we did yesterday, and it will run the custom chart. And if the chart and the audio is synced before you do this, and it works on your GH3 or Clone Hero, and then it will be just as synced and work as well on your Xbox. So yeah, that's about it for this tutorial. That is how easy it is. Easy. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video that will be up tomorrow. So peace out, guys.